Hello everybody, welcome to Gap Languages private video. So in this video we are going to talk about job. So all right, before we're going to start the video, so you can also go ahead and check some other free videos on our channel. Anyhow, so the first one is so how do we say job in Dari or in Farsi? So in this lesson, in the first lesson we had a lesson. It was about a possessive adjective. We had both English transliteration, also the Arabic script, which is Dari or Farsi script. So we have both of them in this lesson as well. All right, everybody. So wazifa, wazifa, wazifa. Wazifa means job. Wazifa means job. Okay, here we have wazifa, wazifa. So you can also repeat after me. Wazifa, wazifa, wazifa. So let's say if you're asking somebody in a informal way, so how would you say that? We'd say wazifa dori, wazifa dori. So if it is like formal, we say wazifa dorin, wazifa dorin. Dori becomes dorin. All right, everybody. So we can also talk about formal and informal one at the same time. Anyhow, let's go to slide number 3. So this is formal. شما وظیفه دارین. شما وظیفه دارین. So this is how we say. So this is something spoken, but the written one is شما وظیفه دارید, which we don't speak that way. شما وظیفه دارید. So we speak this way. شما وظیفه دارین. And this is something formal or something very respectful, or if you want to be more polite, or if you want to sound more formal, you can say shuma wazifa dorin. Other than that, you can use tu, which is again, it's one of another personal pronoun, which is for you. Tu wazifa dori. Dorin becomes dori. All right, so shuma wazifa dorin. If you say yes I do, bale ma معلم هستم. Bale, it means yes. ما معلم هستم. Bale, ما معلم هستم. Yes, I am a teacher. Okay, you can repeat after me. معلم, معلم, معلم. And we have another one, معلم is like, it is mostly very common in school stuff, If you're a teacher at a school, then you're considered as malam. Other than that, ustad is like somebody who teaches at the university, or let's say at educational center. So we say ustad, ustad. Yeah, malam is only in school. Malam, malam, ustad, ustad. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Again here, wazifa dori, wazifa dori. Wazifa dori. So that the first one we talk about shuma wazifa dorin. So that was formal. In this informal. Bale ma'alam hastum. Bale ma'alam hastum. Yes, I am a teacher. So if I ask you for, let's say, are you a teacher? So I'm asking one more time just for the confirmation. Ma'alam hasti, ma'alam hasti, ma'alam hasti. So bale معلم هستم. Or if I say استاد هستی, ustad. So this one is like we talk in the third slide, I guess. Yeah, استاد هستی. So you can say bale استاد هستم. Okay, now let's go to the next one. So this one, iki است, iki است, iki است. Now here the written one, inkiast. So inkiast, so which we don't say that way. We say ikiast, ikiast, ikiast. So برادرم است. برادرم است. This is my brother. And so we talk about a possessive adjective in the first lesson, which we made out of one of the slides. So that was, we talk about a possessive adjective like my brother. Okay, برادرت است. Is this your brother? Oh, sorry. برادرم است. So this is my brother. Okay, برادرت وظیفه داره. So برادرت وظیفه داره. Here you don't need to pronounce like T, like it's not a strong T, it's a soft T. برادرت وظیفه داره. برادرت وظیفه داره. Does your brother have a job? بله او آشپز است. بله او آشپز است. Yes, he is a cook. آشپز means cook. آشپز آشپز آشپز. Alright, برادرت آشپز است. برادرت آشپز است. Is your brother a cook? بله برادرم آشپز است. بله برادرم آشپز است. Yes, my brother is a cook. Alright, now let's go to the next one. So here, maybe I want to ask you, then you can answer. İki est. İki est. Who's this? So you can say blah blah blah. This is a teacher. How would you say that in Farsi, Dari? Okay. And iki est. İki est. So you know he is. So you can say he's a cook. How would you say that? Okay. I want to leave that in insert because you're going to answer. All right. Now let's go to the next one. İki est. İki est. Who is this again? İ padaram est. İ padaram est. This is my father. İ padaram est. İ padaram est. This is my father. Padarat wazifa dara. So I'm asking padarat wazifa dara. Does your father have a job? Padarat wazifa dara. Does your father have a job? Okay. Bale u motarwan است. Bale means yes. Bale u motarwan است. Yes, he is a driver. Motarwan is a driver. Motarwan, motarwan, motarwan. Okay, padarat motarwan است. So this is a question. So this is the same sentence, you know, the positive sentence, we just change, you know, the tonality. This is only we change the tone of our voice, like at the end. Padarat motarwan است. Is your father a driver? بله پدرم موتروان است. بله پدرم موتروان است. Yes, my father is a driver. بله پدرم موتروان است. Okay. Now here, so iki est. So who's this? You can say he's a teacher. او وظیفه داره. Does he have a job? So you can say yes, he does. How would you say? iki est, again, who's this? You know, he's a cook. او وظیفه داره. Does he have a job? So you can say yes, he's a chef or he's a cook. iki est, so he's my father. So if I say does he have a job? او وظیفه داره. So you say yes, he does. All right, now let's go to the next slide. Okay, iki est. iki est. Who's this? ای دخترم است. This is my daughter. ای دخترم است. This is my daughter. So دخترت وظیفه داره. دخترت وظیفه داره. Does your daughter have a job? نه او شاگرد است. نه او شاگرد است. No, he is a student. شاگرد means student. شاگرد شاگرد شاگرد. Okay, دخترت شاگرد است. Is your daughter a student? بله دخترم شاگرد است. Yes, my daughter is a student. Okay. So iki est. iki est. Who's this? ای همشیریم است. ای همشیریم است. So همشیره means sister. Okay. همشیرت وظیفه داره. همشیرت وظیفه داره. Does your sister have a job? You can also say there's another word, a noun for همشیره, which is خواهر or خوار. I think we talked about it in the first video. Okay, خوار or همشیره. خوارت وظیفه داره. Does your sister have a job? or همشیرت وظیفه داره. بله او پرستار است. بله او پرستار است. پرستار means a nurse. Yes, she's a nurse. پرستار پرستار پرستار. Okay, همشیرت پرستار است. همشیرت پرستار است. Is your sister a nurse? بله همشیریم پرستار است. Yes, she is a nurse. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, now in this slide, So we talk about like what is he doing or what does he do. Okay, او چی میکنه. او چی میکنه. او چی میکنه has two meanings. What is he doing or what does he do. Okay, but it depends on the context. Okay, او چی میکنه. او چی میکنه. او چی میکنه. What does he do or what is he doing. Okay, now iki est. Iki est. Who's this? I معلم است. I معلم است. So this is a teacher. او چی میکنه. او چی میکنه. What does he do. او درس میده. او درس میده. So he gives lesson. Literally it means he gives lesson, but it's the equivalent of his teaching or he teaches. So او چی میکنه. What does he do or what is he doing. So if you say او درس میده, so he teaches or he's teaching. درس میده. درس میده. درس میده. او درس میده. He gives lesson or he's teaching or he teaches. Okay, let's go to the next one. Excuse me. Okay, iki est. Iki est. Who is this. I motarwan است. I motarwan است. So this is or he is a driver. Okay, او چی میکنه. او چی میکنه. What does he do. او موتروانی میکنه. او موتروانی میکنه. So he literally it means he's a driver or he's driving. He does driving. Literally he does driving. او موتروانی میکنه. Okay, موتروانی میکنه. موتروانی میکنه. موتروانی میکنه. So he does driving or he's driving. او موتروانی میکنه. He does driving. Basically that is equivalent of he is a driver. All right, now let's go to the next one. So iki est. Iki est. So you can say, so you can answer او چی میکنه. او چی میکنه. What does he do or what is he doing. So you can say he is giving a lesson or he's teaching. So how would you say that one. Maybe you can go you can just go back a little bit and rewind the video and see what is he, what is he doing. Okay, so iki est. Iki est, who's this. So you can say he's a driver. How would you say. If I say u chi mekone, what does he do or what is he doing. So you can say he's driving or he does driving. All right, now let's go to the next one. Okay, iki est. Iki est. Who is this. Iki est. So I آشپز است. I آشپز است. So he or he's a cook. او آشپز است. Sorry, I آشپز است. So this is you know what, a cook. او چی میکنه. او چی میکنه. What is he doing or what does he do. او آشپزی میکنه. او آشپزی میکنه. He is cooking or he does, او آشپزی میکنه. So he does cooking or he cooks. Okay, آشپزی میکنه. آشپزی میکنه. آشپزی میکنه. او آشپزی میکنه. He is cooking or he cooks. Okay, the next one. Here we have iki est. So again, you can say او چی میکنه. What does he do. So this one, iki est. Okay, او چی میکنه. And iki est. او چی میکنه. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, iki est. Iki est. Who is this. I شاگرد است. I شاگرد است. She is or this is a student. او چی میکنه. او چی میکنه. او چی میکنه. What does he do or what is she doing. Basically here it means what does she do. او درس میخونه. او درس میخونه. She studies or she is studying. She studies or she's studying. درس میخونه. درس میخونه. درس میخونه. She studies. She studies. Okay. I think there's a typo with this is also, let me fix this one. میخواند. میخواند. او درس میخواند. او درس میخواند. She is studying or she studies. Okay, now let's go to the next slide. So it's gonna be the last one, I guess. Yep. Okay, iki est. ای کی است. who is this. ای ترجمان است. ای ترجمان است. ای ترجمان است. So this is a translator. او چی میکنه؟ او چی میکنه. What does he do or what is he doing. او ترجمانی میکنه. او ترجمانی میکنه. He is translating or he translates. ترجمانی میکنه. ترجمانی میکنه. ترجمانی میکنه. او ترجمانی میکنه. So he translates or he's translating. All right, everybody, that is the end of the video for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. Khuda hafiz.